All right. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Unconventional Mindset. My name's Odum, and every day through Monday through Friday, we get together and we live stream our whole process of trying to build ourselves a company that's going to generate us $1 million in revenue every single. I was going to say every single year, I was going to say every single day, but yes, every single year, every single day. That would be nice. So what we're doing is we are building our creative agency, and we are kind of pivoting because it used to be an agency that's kind of just building websites for just whoever needs a website. And we are focusing now on creating digital experiences for the academic and scientific community. And what we are doing and what we've been working on the past couple of days is kind of putting together what the framework and the sitemap and what kind of content we want to have on the actual website. So today, in the next few days, we're going to actually write the content that's going to be on these web pages. And so I kind of brought up ChatGPT because we're probably going to use a little bit of chat here to see what we can do to kind of help us out, to give us maybe a good starting point, because writing content, it always takes me so long. But I mean, we have these tools here. Let's see what we can do and what it can help us out with in terms of figuring out what content we want. And just to recap a little bit, yesterday we kind of put together this visual sitemap for what we want to have. So on our homepage, we want to have case studies, the services, blog and news, an about page, resources, and contact. So really what we are going to need content for is pretty much these three things. I mean, obviously we're going to need some stuff for the about page and write down our mission history, but that's pretty easy in terms of actually just talking about the things that we do right now, and like things about me and all that kind of stuff. So that should be pretty easy. I'm not too worried about that one. Kevin, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. How you doing today? I actually, today's really bad because actually this whole week is kind of bad because one of my clients are transitioning their whole team to Google Workspace, and there's lots of stuff, lots of emails and stuff that I got to transfer over. And a few other things too that I need to do as well. So really busy. So today I do have almost like a hard stop in almost like 20 minutes or so. So we'll try to get as far as we can today, which kind of sucks. But anyways, so yeah, let's not waste any time. I figure hopefully we can get some like progress on at least the homepage. So right. So we need a really good intro statement with a call to action. And I generally do like to have, like on my page here, just like the main heading and then like a nice little subheading. So let's see what we can come up with. We had maybe what I can do is maybe I'll move my face over a little bit here. So at least we can see what kind of prompts I'm going to be working with here. Right. So So this document here, we're kind of talking about what it is that we are going to actually be doing and what our purpose is. Okay, so I'm looking to write website content for my new creative agency. So your work deserves to be seen. Oh, is this something for what you're thinking of for them? I don't know if you're talking about like me specifically. My work needs to be seen. Why? Thank you. I think you're talking about like scientists, and they need to have their work out there. Yeah, absolutely. I kind of like that. I'm gonna just take a note of that. Your work. I don't think I spelled that right. Your work needs to be seen. Yeah. Okay. Let's see which this chat comes up with, and then we'll go from there. I'm looking to write website content for my new creative agency. Which will focus on providing creative services such as video, graphic design, website development, application development, data management, to academic researchers and academic, oh my goodness, academic institutions. What is it? I'm looking to write blah blah. Our vision is to help researchers. I'm gonna put this in here. Help researchers communicate the value of their work, so that they can receive more exposure. When I say maybe more public exposure, and our vision is to help researchers communicate the value of the work so that they can get more public exposure and be in a better position to receive, let's say, government funding for the research. Okay, so can you write me some content which would work well for a landing page? Okay, can I enter that? All right. Let's see what we get from this. Oh, it's actually listing out the actual services. Blah, 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 blah. Love how it adds. Yeah, feel free to customize. It suits your needs. Yeah, thank you. I was not going to take this out the box. Okay, let's see what we got here. Welcome, blah, blah, where creativity meets academia. Okay, that's bad. Unlock the full potential of your research with our comprehensive suite of creative services tailored specifically for academic researchers and institutions. At blah, blah, your agency's name, we understand the importance of effectively communicating the value of your work to both the academic community and the wider public. Our mission is to empower researchers like you to gain the visibility and recognition your work deserves. Okay, that's bad. Okay, that's not very much help at all. I don't like that. Okay, video production, captivating your audience. It's cool that it takes kind of the stuff that I put in and then it spits it out. Let's see. Can you maybe distill this into one single tagline plus one subline? Yeah, something like that. Come on, can't hit enter. Empowering academia through creative excellence. Transforming research into impactful narratives. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so again, let's look at the problems that we're solving. Okay, that's interesting. I'm going to give you a set of problems that we decided we are going to solve for our clients. Can you please provide some single tagline options based on these problems. And let me just copy this and paste one. People do not understand how scientific research can benefit their lives. Lack of engagement. They do to the general public. All right, let's just see what it says when I spit that in there in a not very well defined way. Making innovation accessible to all. Man, nope. Empowering research advocacy through visual storytelling. This whole visual storytelling is an interesting term. I don't mind that. Transforming complex science into everyday solutions. That's not quite what we're doing. Elevate event engagement. Yeah, that's more of a maybe in the landing page of the event page. Connecting academia to the world. So that's kind of interesting. So yeah, it's like a combination of, your work deserves to be seen. And also, well, that's kind of part of bringing it out there to the world and making that connection. Okay. Yeah, we got to keep this in mind as well too, our deep-rooted client problems. Okay. What did I just do? Go here. All right. So let's just jot down some ideas. And now it's not bullet pointing. And I don't want to be bold. Yeah, your work deserves to be seen. And what did we have up here? There was something that I did like. Right. Transforming research into, yeah. That's actually, again, why is this bold? This is actually really good. And I think a lot of academics, like they understand this type of language, transforming science and blah, blah, blah into this, transforming this into the wave of the future. So transforming research into impact narratives. And then it could be something where the subheading is, then you have your work deserves to be seen. Like your work deserves to be seen. Will help you. Blah blah blah. Like we'll help you get it out there to the world, right? Something like that. Like we'll help you. Blah blah. So our mission is to empower. Yeah. So this is not bad. Our mission is to empower researchers like you to gain the visibility and recognition your work deserves. I like that whole idea of, again, playing with their ego. And if you're thinking about what we talked about a couple of days ago, like what is the deep rooted fears and motivations of researchers, and they definitely want to have that respect and that status. They definitely have that ego, right? So if we can play into that ego a little bit, right, saying, like you deserve to be seen, right? And the whole thing of I see you, right? Like I'm listening to you. So how can we craft this into a really good, like a good statement? Our mission empowers researchers like you. It's almost like finally gain the recognition that you deserve, right? Or like gain, right? Gain the recognition you deserve. Oh my goodness. Gain the recognition you deserve. Like gain the recognition you deserve by XYZ, right? Gain the recognition you deserve. Maybe we can almost say it like, okay, hang on. Here's something that might work. Oh shoot, what was I thinking? I want to say something along the lines of, we tell like powerful and engaging stories that help your work like get the recognition it deserves. Yeah, it's not quite there. What do we do? It's like we work with you to connect your work to the world, like allowing you to gain the recognition you deserve. You deserve. We work with you to connect your work. Okay, that's a little bit. You connect your work to the world. Like, what does that mean? Kevin, connect your work to the hearts and minds of, like, the world. Connect your work to the hearts and minds. I like the hearts and minds in terms of being able to reach, like, individuals and reach people. But I don't know if that 100% falls in line with what they're. Well, I guess it is. It is, eh? Like what I'm thinking of, what their deep, darkest, fears and what their wants. Because they want the contribution, they want the legacy, and they want the respect from their peers. I don't know if they care so much about, like, the public. I guess the public. Yeah, the public does matter, but I don't know how much of a driving force that is. All right. I have transforming research into impactful narratives. We work with you to connect your work to the world, allowing you to gain the recognition. Why am I not cutting and pasting? The recognition you deserve. I feel the second part, starting with we work, can be stronger. The idea is to make the user feel that that if they work with us, we will help them propel their work to the spotlight and help them be recognized by their peers and important stakeholders. Let's see what we get with that. Does it? Well, I don't know what it does with spelling mistakes, but anyways. Transforming research through impactful narratives. Together, we propel your work to the spotlight, ensuring you gain the recognition you deserve among peers. It just takes the words that I put in there and just puts it into a sentence. It's not quite what I want here. Can you try again? This time, using your own words or different words that I've typed in. Can you give me 10 versions, please? Enter doesn't actually submit it. Okay, let's see what we got. I was thinking. I wonder if ChatGPT 4 is better, because I've seen some stuff where people put stuff in and I think they're using ChatGPT 4 and it's like really, really good. So I wonder if, this 3.5 is just not as good. Oh, it's doing the whole thing. All right, let's see what it comes up with. Elevating your research into compelling narratives. Let's partner to shine a light on your work, ensuring you're recognized by peers and influencers alike. No, that's influencers. Come on. Crafting impact. Collaborate with us to amplify your reach and gain. You've earned, not what you've earned. Join forces. Come on. To the limelight. Champion work, elevating your profile and impact. Your work to new heights. Let us guide you in amplifying your influence. Your work resonates with the audience. Ooh, something like join forces with propel your work to spotlight and secure the recognition. Yeah. We work with you, kind of like let's work together. Let's work together. Not quite sure, but I do. Yeah. Let's see. I just want to put a note here. Speak to. Oh. I think once we get this actual the home page, the main thing, everything else is just going to kind of fall into place. At least that's what I'm hoping for, anyways. All right. So we don't have this quite figured out yet for what our landing page is going to be. But I'm going to keep plugging away. Unfortunately, yeah, it's I really hate to do this right now so quick because I just kind of started this live stream, so it's super, super short. But I do have to run. I do have to take care of some things here for some clients. So unfortunately, I do have to cut it short. But tomorrow should be a lot better, and I should have a whole lot more time to dive more into this. And if you do have any suggestions or whatever, please do let me know. I'd love to hear from you. But we'll keep plugging away at this. And I do want to make sure I put forth a really good time and effort to make sure we get some good content on here so that our website kind of starts off on the right foot, which hopefully I'm sure we can launch before the end of April. I think maybe we'll have that as a thing, like May 1 we'll launch or something like that. But anyways, thank you anyways for joining. Thanks, Kevin, for seeing you. I know there's a few other people that have popped in. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I'll keep plugging away probably tonight. And yeah, we'll get back into this tomorrow to write some new content and I don't know, just keep moving things forward. All right, guys. Thanks so much for joining and tuning in. Much appreciated, as I think I've already said. So have a good one, and we'll see you tomorrow.